Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, today I want to dedicate this time to just some business news that you should be aware of. There's some important dates that are coming up. And so, let's get started. So, I can't believe the month of January is almost over. So, we're already into 2022, moving pretty fast. So, first thing, 1099s are due January 31st. So, 1099s are forms that are issued to anyone a business has paid over $600. These are usually freelancers, attorneys. So corporations, they do not receive a 1099. So another good example would be like myself, an accounting professional, you would actually issue out a 1099. And here's a tip for you. A lot of us are using QuickBooks. QuickBooks will issue out a 1099 for those that work for you. However, you do have to set them up as 1099 vendors. So please reach out to me if you need help with that. Once again, QuickBooks does charge for that. So the first three is $14.99, and then after that, I think it's like $3.99 or $5.99, something like that. So that's a tip for you. So QuickBooks will do that for you. If you do not want QuickBooks to issue the 1099s, definitely reach out to me and we can assist you with that. Another thing, the IRS will start accepting tax returns January 24th. So that is next week. Once again, the IRS will start accepting tax returns January 24th. You should file your 2021 tax return to avoid fines if you did not make your last installment for estimated taxes. Once again, if you did not make your estimated taxes last installment payment, you should file your 2021 tax return by January 31st. So once again, I'll repeat that again. A lot of people don't know what that means. Even though they're paying estimated taxes, they, for whatever reason, miss the last installment and do not realize that they can avoid fine. So if you did not make your fourth quarter estimated taxes, you should have you should file your 2021 tax return by January 31st so you don't have to pay any fine. So those are just some important dates coming up. Also, want to mention there are several organizations and even government agencies that have been affected by Kronos. I'm not sure if you heard Kronos, that system, payroll system, time tracking system has been hacked. So, if you are one of those individuals, you should contact your HR and have a discussion about W 2s because usually W 2s are sent out by the end of January. So, since that system has been hacked, organizations need to work with Kronos and figure out what's going to go on, what's the process really, when are they expecting things to be back up. So that may delay your taxes, turning in your taxes. So once again, Kronos is a time tracking system, and that is down across the U.S. My mother works here at a local hospital. Their system is down, and everyone's paycheck is incorrect. So definitely need to talk to your HR about your W-2s. With all of that said, tax season is upon us. We're already going to be in the second month of Q1 pretty soon. And I know a lot of us are still trying to get our books ready from last year and then also trying to keep up with this year already. So I suggest you set aside some time, probably just once a week, whether that's 30 minutes or 1 hour, just to get your 2021 taxes prepared. So that means probably finding a tax preparer very soon. That means getting your books ready. And when I say getting your books ready, that means that the bank and credit card are reconciled. You have done a physical inventory. If you produce product, you basically had an accountant look over your financial statements and basically said, okay, they are ready to go to your tax preparer. And then number three, schedule your Q1 and Q2 tax planning session with your tax preparer. In a tax planning session, it can be a quick phone call, it can be 30 minutes, it can be an hour. It is just you and the tax preparer discussing, okay, what's been going on since January 1st? Is there anything that I should know about? Okay, and what's the status on my tax return? all that good stuff. And so that way, that tax preparer can help you estimate taxes. And in case you possibly may you can get on some type of plan, or they can make some recommendations to actually lower your tax bill. So hopefully you find this information helpful. Once again, if you need any assistance with your tax preparation, 1099, feel free to reach out to us. Have a good day.